morning folks, it's July 10th, Thursday. We're so excited for tomorrow. Aalis kami. We're going out of Tuguegarao. We're going to build one of our groups, no? But anyway, nandito kami sa labas. Gloomy pero okay lang. We're paying all our bills today. Para sa ganon, for the next 3 days na wala kami dito, hindi madidelay yung aming pagbayad ng bill. Magbabayad kami sa ADESA, yung inutang naming ref, yung inutang naming aircon, binabayaran namin. Nagbabayad kami ng kuryente at iba pa. There was a time folks na hindi namin alam kung saan namin kukunin yung pambayad namin ng monthly bills, including this car. Okay, so we're paying our bills sa Toyota every month. We're paying our ADESA, electricity at kung ano-ano pa. Dinaanan po namin yung hirap. Actually, dinadaanan pa rin namin, pero gumiginhawa ng konti. Because why? Nagkakaroon na po tayo ng weekly income from NanoCell. Salamat sa NanoCell. Okay? So dadaanan nyo rin or dinadaanan nyo rin yung pinagdadaanan namin. You will be struggling with your bills monthly, but that's perfectly okay as long as you're taking action like us. We're building our group. Secondly, hindi na namin alam kung paano namin hatiin yung katawan namin because we have about 4 groups to grow. Okay, and that's a good problem, di ba? Ganun din po ang mangyayari sa inyo, no? Darating din yung time na hindi niyo na rin alam kung saan kayo pupunta sa kabisihan nyo, and that's a good problem. Okay, nandito na si Edna, so paalis na kami. Thank you and more updates.